In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, let's open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, the shortest one, which is *#06#. And this one will show you your IMEI numbers, so smoothly enter this code, and then you will be provided with details. Tap on OK to close it. And now it's time for the second code, which is *#426#***. And as you can see, this is the diagnostic mode where you can check events and also status. And if you're curious and would like to explore your device more, you can open Advanced View by tapping on More icon and selecting Advanced View. And here it is. So that's it. Let's go back. This is the second code. And now let's open the test mode performed by Google. And code for it is ***4636 ****. And here we've got the testing mode where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Smoothly click to open, and then you can get the necessary info. And then Wi-Fi details grouped into 3 categories like Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Wi-Fi status allows you to run a ping test also. And this is it. Let's go back. That will be all for this code. And another code that you can use here is, let's go back to keypad, is the calendar info code, and it's *#225 ***. And here you've got all information from all calendars of yours. If you have any anniversaries, business meetings, celebrations, important days, like whatever you've got included in any of your calendar, it's right here, so you will not forget about any important event. And actually that will be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Use them whenever you need to, whenever you want to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.